Alright, bags are packed, rubs are checked in, and I am headed to Charleston to film some special holiday content with my friends from Weber. In this vlog, I'm bringing you with me behind the scenes, gonna show you all the setup, all the cooking, all the barbecue. This one's gonna be a fun one. So I've been just kind of exploring, driving around, and Charleston is awesome. The architecture here, the homes, just the views are pretty spectacular right here on the water. So I'm trying to find a place to get some food. For now, I've got some time by myself to just explore and hang out. I posted this on my Instagram stories that I'm in Charleston, and a bunch of you recommended a couple different barbecue spots that are here in Charleston. And while I really appreciate those recommendations, I don't really want to eat any more barbecue while I'm here, as I'm sure those places are great, and I'm here for a very short time, so I want to try some other stuff, more seafood, more just kind of local spots that are not really barbecue. I found this place right here at the marina, and this is called Marina Variety Store Restaurant. It has decent reviews online, so I'm just gonna go grab a drink, maybe grab a small bite, and we'll check it out. That's really nice. Just get the food, and I think this is the biggest po' boy I've ever seen. Fried shrimp po' boy, coleslaw, Cajun sauce, house-made chips. Wow. Yeah. So good. That place, it was really good. That was a really good po' boy. Super loaded with all the shrimp, the coleslaw, this kind of Cajun sauce, those house-made chips, little rum punch to wash it down with. Nice little snack before dinner today. I didn't record too much at the restaurant. It was kind of full, and it's still kind of weird just setting all this stuff up, the camera and talking and recording. Showed you guys a little preview of it. Now I'm gonna go to the hotel, clean up a little bit, and get ready for dinner. All right, made it to our location. So there is a bunch of cars here. Looks like we're filming in there, and in the back, got this big old production truck. Man, let's go and check it out. See what's going on here. Smells like barbecue back here already. Grills, cameras, lights, more grills. What's up, guys?
I'm Paul.
Paul Machik, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, of course. Hey!
Hey! How are you?
Good. How's it going?
Good, you made it.
Yeah. Oh, wow, there's even a Doge. Hi. Hey, what's up?
She's our girl.
What's up? How you doing? So gonna make a video of us making a video, so
There we go.
so you know, try to get as much as I can. Yeah. My name's Machik. I run Grillin with that. All right, so we finished the first round. This is going to be like a voiceover part of the video, so that's what they were recording. And then we're gonna do some B-roll shots outside of actual cooking, grilling, and again, all kind of holiday themed, right? So we did breakfast, holiday gift guide. And this right here is why these commercial shoots take such a long time. So even though we were only making a couple pretty simple recipes, this literally will take a full day because there's a lot of moving stuff around, a lot of props, a lot of different food items. Then you have the videographer, the photographer, everybody needs to get the shots that they need to get and make sure that everything is captured the way that it needs to be. So honestly, there's just a lot of standing around while everybody else preps, moves, shoots, and gets the scene ready before we actually start filming. It's a nice looking tenderloin.
You put more thyme and rosemary in the compound butter, and it's like hot.
They're all his recipes. Yesterday was
Wow.
TVs.
This looks so good. All right, next up we've got bacon wrapped shrimp and sausage wrapped with shrimp, or shrimp wrapped sausage. These two are not confusing at all. Bacon wrapped shrimp. That's pretty good, huh? Yeah, you're so good. So good. Yes, I am. For lunch, we are doing pub subs. And this is a pretty massive sandwich. This is just half of it right here. Move the eating operation here so you don't stain the pretty table that's set for later. But here, check out this sandwich. That's really good. I don't think I ever had a chicken tender sandwich, like a sub type of sandwich. This is really nice. So now comes the fun part. We are going to be shooting all the outdoor grilling content. It's like 95 degrees, and these guys are making it seem like it's Christmas, like it's the holidays. Very Christmassy.
Father-in-law.
Very
He just
Christmassy.
showed up. Alyssa. I think literally just pull them off and walk back. Yeah, exactly.
So you
I'm always like, I feel like I'm in your camera just looking mad. I'm always like, what?
getting close to the finish line. It's really hot here today. Super hot. Look at this giant thing. They have all sorts of cool equipment here today. I almost kind of feel bad for not doing a lot because I'm just hanging out and these guys are getting the grill set up, they're cooking, they're pretty much doing everything, and I just show up, flip stuff, maybe brush on some barbecue sauce, and that's it. Hi, good girl. So here's a quick little recap of what we made today. So we've got some smash burgers, shrimp 2 different ways. So these are wrapped in bacon, finished in barbecue sauce, and these are sausages wrapped with shrimp. And this beautiful beef tenderloin, reverse seared, finished with a compound butter. So now we are done with all the cooking, and they're gonna do the kind of inside style shots on the Christmas tables. There's a bunch of people waiting to get kind of seated here. They're gonna bring all the food out, take pictures. Then all this stuff is gonna get used by Weber right before the holidays to promote their accessories, their grills, the recipes that we filmed today. A lot of work, a lot of people to make all this happen, but it was a really fun day. Fun cooking, doing all this stuff, and just kind of seeing it all come together. Here's all the goodies. Oh, there we go. That's nice. So just like that, we are I'm wrapping up with the stuff that I had to make. It's cool. It's definitely fun seeing all this come together, seeing how many people are involved in making this content, making these videos, the whole production team, the lighting, sound, the video guys, picture guys. But with me just kind of showing up and really just, flipping some steaks on the grill, the tenderloin, doing a little voiceover. It doesn't feel like I really did that much. Like when I'm at home, I do everything start to finish. And here they had people kind of prepping a lot of the food and just kind of talking through it, explaining it. So didn't feel like I did a lot. I know that I did, but it just doesn't feel like it. So, but I'm excited for you guys to see all this stuff. It's all going to be posted on Weber's social channels throughout December, kind of leading up to the holidays, promoting the grills, the accessories, the different recipes. I'm also going to post it on my channel so you can see everything. And it was fun. Definitely fun first trip to Charleston. So Tim here is actually one of the people who did most of the cooking today. He's the real superstar of today's event. But here, check this out. He is making these Parmesan smashed potatoes.
The first thing we did is par cook the potatoes, then lay down a little Parmesan cheese, smash the potato into it.
Perfect.
Beautiful, right?
Oh,
That's one right there.
That's it right there. That's the pretty one. We got little tenderloin samples going out. Reverse seared beef tenderloin.
Crumble. The crust, the cookie crust.
These potatoes, especially with these crispy edges.
Let's skip her taking it, pulling it up.
Oh, that's fun. That's fun. That's a long stick. All right, got talent coming in, families coming in.
And then mom, dad right there, and then mom over there. Yep.
Lots of friendly banter. One happy family full of strangers. Let's go. And look at that, not even 5 minutes later, Christmas is gone. No more Christmas. Time to pack up and head back. See you guys. Charleston has officially been smoked. Filming this holiday content with Weber was awesome. Such a fun day. But now it's time to pack up, get my bags, and head back home. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know where I should take you next. Until then, thanks for watching. and I'll see you at the grill. All right, I'm back in the hotel. I was going to end the video in the car right before I left, but I just want to say how freaking cool it was to be a part of that shoot with Weber. Just even being there, you know, like I'm just a guy who cooks at home in my backyard for my friends, for my family, and I was there like making this commercial content with this huge company that's going to be posted on their social media and print and ads and doing all sorts of stuff, and it's just awesome. And it's all because I started to post, or I wanted to post, food pictures on Instagram 8 years ago. And you can check out my story. I've got a video posted on Instagram that kind of goes into how I got started and kind of what led up to this, but that's basically it. Like I started posting pictures and I stuck with it. I kind of saw the potential of what you can achieve on social media, and like these things that keep happening are just like crazy. Like it's really hard to believe for me that like I'm doing the things that I'm doing right now. You know, most of it is because of your guys' support. You choose to follow, to support, to leave comments. You like the content that we're putting out. So I guess what I'm trying to say is if you have a side hustle or a little side business or a passion project or a hobby, just keep going. You know what I mean? Just don't give up. I think what happens is a lot of people stop a little too early. Maybe you're not seeing the results that you want to see, or things just aren't working out. And so people give up, they stop, and then you kind of live the rest of your life just thinking, you know, what if I stuck with it? What if I did something else? So this is me telling you to stick with it. Don't give up. Tune out the noise, tune out the haters. People are always going to have an opinion. You know, you're never going to please everybody. So just focus on yourself. If you've got a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, be it cooking, be it social media, a side business, side hustle, whatever it is, things can happen. Things can work out, and good things will happen if you stick with it. So on that note, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go jump in the shower because I was wearing this shirt. You can kind of see the sweat stains right here. This whole shirt was just soaked because I had this thick flannel on to make it look like it was wintertime in Charleston when it was like 95 degrees outside today. But anyways, that's it this time for real. I'm gonna jump in the shower, clean myself off, get some rest, and head back home tomorrow.